Barcoding your stock is a great way to speed up the picking and prepping process in your warehouse, as well as making sure that everything that went out the door comes back in again. Remember, you don't need to barcode your kit to use current RMS. Head to a product page to print barcode labels. Simply choose the label you'd like to pull off under the print heading. The barcode here is what you'll use to allocate gear to orders. Barcode numbers are generated using either the asset number set for your stock levels for serialized products, or the barcode number found by editing bulk and non-stock products. Our default label also includes your company name and address, handy if the kit is lost and someone is kind enough to return it. The QR code on the right can be scanned using your phone or tablet to jump straight through to the product page, or use with a dedicated QR scanner to allocate kit to your opportunities. Transitioning from another system or already barcoded your stock, there's no need to relabel, you can use your existing barcodes with current. For serialized stock, enter the barcode number as the asset number of the stock level. For bulk or non-stock, enter the barcode number by editing the product. This also means you can purchase a roll of pre-labeled asset tags and use these with current RMS. To start scanning, grab a barcode scanner. When picking a scanner, look for something that's compatible with the device that you're using to access current on and that operates as a keyboard wedge. This means that the scanner works by reading the barcode and translating it into keystrokes. We designed current RMS to be barcode friendly, so there's lots of places you can scan barcodes to speed things up. The place you'll spend most time scanning is on the Opportunity Detail view. From this screen, you can scan through the whole warehouse process. Use the tabs at the top of the Detail view to allocate, prep, book out, and check in using a barcode scanner. Make sure that your cursor is in the asset field and start scanning. Current will allocate, prep, book out, or check in the serialized asset or barcoded product that you scan. To scan gear that's not on the order view, toggle free scan to yes and scan as normal. The scanned items are added to the order. Remember, there's also global check-in, one central place to manage all your check-ins. Pop your cursor in the asset field and scan to start checking in kit from across your opportunities. For a full overview of barcoding in current RMS, get in touch with the team today.